Oh, working on this Crosby. It's about like a GE. Problem was having problems with the cycle keep repeating, and it kept bouncing. It would never stay on a certain cycle. So I knew it had an issue with the board. So the customer, I told him I had another different color, same settings. That's most important, because most of these things here, they have mismatched board if this thing's not with the same cycles, which this board is. And what I done was, and what it is just, you got two parts. You got this first board, main control, and you got the display board. This the port, and what it is you wouldn't know which one to buy. You know, whether it be the display or the main control board. So thank God I had one where I can figure out I was right about the main control board. So what it is, you got four, well, actually you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got about 7 bolts plus these 2 1/4-inch. I left them all together, and it comes right out. And this one got the same one, so I put that in and it worked. It comes on, everything, but I found out another issue. See, everything working like it's supposed to. Yeah. Yeah, see, that's another, see, this is what I'm saying. Yeah. But it started making a noise that I didn't like. All before it wasn't giving nothing. You see this drain and spin, it's gonna start draining, then it's gonna start spinning. But it had a weird noise. Then right here, you'll know your lid locked good, because it's on the display, it's locked. Power it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look underneath and see what's going on. It sounds like transmission, right? So but we've determined that you wanna look at it. I wanna remove this cover. But like most G's, they got them same 3 10mm bolts. Yeah, the belt came off. But not only the belt, my God, look at that. So, man, look like I need another pulley. But I'm gonna take the whole motor off. Yeah, but that's what the problem is right there. Is this motor, the whole motor and transmission, well, the motor and the speed sensor. You want to remove this up, mash this in, and it'll a 1/2 inch. Yeah, that's the speed sensor. Yeah. Now I'm gonna place this motor with this. Like it just bent the whole. I think this part right here. So we're gonna go ahead and install this motor. Before I put this cover on, I might have to go back up under there, So just going in one thing. First it was the board, now it's the motor. So we repair that. Now we figure out what else. It could be the mode shifter. It could be some other things going on that. That's a part of the process. You have to test them, repair them, and test them. Make sure they running like it's supposed to. But let's plug it up. Just put it on drain and spin first, and just see what it do. Well, so far so good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stop it. We're gonna run a whole wash test and make sure everything running. But like I said, I had to, first it was the board, then it was the motor. Now we're gonna run it, make sure the water level goes through wash, it goes through drain, and it goes through spin, and it cuts off. So, but I just want to make a little quick video, but I'll probably make another video to make sure it's working.